In today's video, I'll teach you how to create and use multiple desktops in Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to create and use the multiple desktops, what you have to do is simply press Windows and Tab key on your keyboard. Now after you do that, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now from here, you'll be able to create the new desktop. What you have to do is simply click on the plus icon that you can see right over here on your screen. Now after you do that, you can see over here, the new desktop has been created. Now you can simply click on it in order to open it. After you do that, you can see over here, you'll be able to perform any activity over here. Simply perform the activity of your choice. Now if you want to switch between the desktop, what you can do is simply press the Windows and Tab key again. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to switch between the desktop and you'll be able to use it. So like this, you'll be able to create and use multiple desktops. So that is how you create and use multiple desktops in Windows 10 or 11. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.